Welcome to episode 3 of my journey of how to flip Pokemon cards. If you missed part 1 and 2, I'll make sure to link it up in the iCard. But in this video, we're opening more packs. And if we're just meeting, my name is Charles, and on this channel I give you the best tips, tools, and news to improve your eBay store. So if that's something that's interesting to you, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and we're going to get into the video. So I was driving by Best Buy the other day, and usually through this thing that's going around the world, Best Buy has been closed at about 6 o'clock every day, 6 p.m. I get off work at 6, so I haven't been able to go into Best Buy. But lo and behold, I was driving by the other day and they were open. So what did I do? I didn't need anything, but I went in there anyway. And I went back to the game section and I found a little Pokemon card. And it is a Roaring Skies pack. Random enough, but I said, hey, why don't we go ahead and get it? So, I don't know anything about this pack, but I thought it would be fun to pick up, and we're going to go ahead and see what's in this pack. We have the Glade. Let's put that over there. And we have this Glade Roaring Skies pack. And here we go. This pack is opening so easy. I love it. You love to see it. And code card for those who do that, if that's your thing. Do the little card trick, 3 from the back. We'll put that right there. And let's see what we got. First up, we have a Dratini. Nice little card. Second up, we have Electrike. That's what his name is. Swabula is up next. Whatever. Bagon. I like Salamence, so is it Salamence? No. I don't know who it is. I like the evolution. I'm drawing a blank right now. Execute. Psychic Pokemon. We have a Rayquaza Spirit Link. Now hopefully we have a Rayquaza EX card. I don't even know. Electrode. Next up. Speed it up here. We have a Dragonair. So we have a Dratini, a Dragonair. Maybe we get it. Another bag on this one in reverse. Final card, Roaring Skies. We have a Psychic Pokemon with Stressful Eye. And we have a... And that's going to do it for this video. So Bagon was the pull on that. Another bus. I think I already have this card anyway. Roaring Skies Bagon. Reverse, and that's 54 out of 108. Alright guys, we have 2 more packs. These are going to be Primal Clash. I went to Best Buy again, found some other packs. So let's see what we get in this one. I gotta tell you, these packs have been kind of a bust for me. As a new investor, I think I should be buying graded cards. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Graded cards or buy packs and open packs. Put that over there. I mean, this is fun. This is gambling though. If you're new to investing, you definitely want to buy graded cards. There's no guesswork involved. You know, this is what the card is. This is what the market value is for that card right now. And you can choose to buy it. Find the deal and buy it. Put that over there too. Or not buy it. Here's the card code. And I'm going to do a video. My next Pokemon video, I'm going to do a video showing you some of the actual better investments that I've made. these packs, again, they're just fun for me, but I've actually been making some good purchases, so I'm going to show you some of those. So we have Illumis, whatever. The Hippo. Here, let's do it this way. Slugma coming up. Nidoran. Trapinch. Man, this one's not... Golly, what's going on here? Masquerain. Trainer card, it's Acrobike, whatever. We have Lumbre, looking like a freaking luchador. And we have Bolafant. Never heard of that one. And then the last card is going to be a Tentacruel, non-hollow. So I got a reverse hollow out of that. This bull with an afro. Whatever. And in our last pack, Primal Clash. Still looking for... I've actually never pulled myself an EX, a secret rare, any of that stuff. So, again, I got out of the Pokemon before all that came out. So, we are still looking for... Golly, this is like Vice Grip. Look at that. Can't even get in here. Look at this. Golly. Over there, there's the artwork, if that's your thing. Groudon. Looking mean. Over there. What am I doing? Card code. If no one uses that card code, that's okay. I'm not going to use it. 3. I think I've gotten this little card trick thing down. What do you think? Alright, so we have Shroomish. We have Meryl. We have Corship, Corfish, whatever that thing is. Weedle. Barboak. Freshwater trainer card. Oh, Weakness Policy, another trainer card. Primal Clash. What the? Max Hidden Ball. Okay. Don't demonetize me. Another trainer card. Hidden Ball Trick. What is that? Ooh, a Starmie. Reverse Hollow. And then our final card of this opening is going to be a Rhyperior, non-hollow. Another bust out of Primal Clash. Another bust out of pack opening. I'm starting to learn what I need to do when I get these packs. Get the packs, sell the dream. That's going to do it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.